Revolutionize your dinner routine. Craving a delicious and easy dinner tonight? We've got you covered with some mouth-watering ideas that will satisfy your taste buds and make cooking a breeze. Let's start with a classic favorite, spaghetti carbonara. Creamy, savory, and rich, it's a dish that combines simplicity with indulgence. Perfect for any night. Next up, grilled chicken with a side of roasted vegetables. This healthy and flavorful option is packed with nutrients and can be tailored to your veggie preferences. How about a Mexican-inspired dinner? Try making chicken enchiladas. Filled with cheese, spices, and all your favorite toppings, they're a festive option for any occasion. For a vegetarian delight, consider a hearty vegetable stir-fry. Fresh, colorful veggies tossed in a savory sauce, served over rice or noodles, make a satisfying meal. If you're a seafood lover, baked salmon with lemon and dill is a fantastic choice. It's light, flavorful, and pairs beautifully with a fresh salad or steamed veggies. Looking for comfort food? Whip up a batch of creamy mac and cheese. This gooey, cheesy dish is sure to hit the spot and is a hit with kids and adults alike. In the mood for something exotic? Try a fragrant chicken curry. Bursting with spices and served with fluffy rice, it's a culinary journey you can enjoy right at home. For an Italian twist, bake a homemade margherita pizza. Fresh basil, mozzarella, and tomatoes on a crispy crust make for a delightful and customizable dinner. Quick and nutritious, a quinoa salad loaded with veggies and a tangy dressing is perfect for a light yet satisfying meal. It's also great for meal prep. Experiment with a bold and flavorful shrimp scampi. Cooked in garlic, butter, and white wine, this dish is elegant and incredibly easy to prepare. Finally, for a sweet ending, consider a simple fruit parfait. Layer your favorite fruits with yogurt and granola for a refreshing and healthy dessert. With these ideas, dinner can be exciting, delicious, and stress-free. Get creative in the kitchen and enjoy these tasty meals with your loved ones.